Hi, everybody, and good afternoon to you all. Welcome to this open workshop. This is the first workshop in our 2021 series called Compliance and Beyond by Sasha, wherein every month we will be talking about a particular topic in relation to sexual harassment prevention. And we are kicking off this series by talking about welcome or unwelcome. So, this whole hour we will be doing a two-way interaction and we'll be exploring this topic together, wherein I'll be asking you some questions and you can ask me some questions. Now, I want to talk a little bit about the different models of consent, because when we talk about consent, we are talking about what is unwelcome to us, right? The first part of the definition of sexual harassment. And the model that we talk about when we talk about sessions like this, when we talk about POSH, the model that we talk about is called express consent. So basically, anything that is not a yes is not a yes. So, why am I talking about all of this? Why is it important for us to have this conversation and to begin this conversation? Because I consider this as just the beginning. Is because in our day to day life, the invitation for you, I want you to take back is, where am I enabling, without maybe knowing about it, sexual harassment or violations of consent and boundary? It needn't have to be as big as sexual harassment, but it starts somewhere, right? Am I open to learning? Am I treating people differently because of, because I have ideas about, like, for example, someone's gender, or because I have ideas about someone wearing a certain kind of a dress or not, or behaving in a certain way or not? And these are things that maybe we need to unlearn. We are already in the process of unlearning, I suppose. There's a big push to look at, and we look back at all the 90s Bollywood movies now. We see elements which are problematic in it. And now we are able to see that, just because, somebody pursues someone relentlessly doesn't mean at the end of the song the girl smiles and says, I love you, right? It doesn't work. We are learning this, we are unlearning this now. So basically, the invitation to you that I want you to take back from this, I suppose, is noticing little things wherever you are at and seeing what can I do better, because this is a journey for all of us, and none of us have reached that part wherein there is nothing more to learn.